everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria Jose and this is Diyosa Live TV. Today we're opening a sort of surprise package from Face Republic. I'm gonna let you know later why it's kinda like a surprise package. So if you want to know what's inside this package, keep on watching. Let's do this quickly. I'm very excited. Okay, this is kind of a surprise package because they sent this out to me. They asked me what products I wanted to try, but I kind of forgot what products I asked or what products I listed. I think these are for acne control, if I'm not mistaken, and I think there's a toner here somewhere. Let's see. Mas hindi rin naman ako sure if they really sent me the products that I asked. It's super exciting. So I think I already posted a video about Face Republic. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video. The link will be over here and down below. And I also posted about this on my blog, diosalife.com. So Face Republic is a Korean brand of skincare products. I think they also have cosmetics or makeup, but I haven't tried their makeup. I definitely like one of their facial cleansers. There you go. The anti-acne one with the salicylic acid. So I've been using the Face Republic Calming Acne Salicylic Cleanser. So this is very gentle and masarap siya gamitin. The smell is... There's something herby about the smell. Nakakalma yung skin ko, nakakalma din ako. Tada! Let's open this package. I'm super excited because I don't remember nga what's inside. Tada! Ooh, so it's a set. There are two products. This is... Okay, nakadikit pala siya. So this is the Vita Capsule Luminous Serum and the Calming Blemish Medacasoside Serum. I think I requested this kasi parang pang day and night yata to siya na anti-acne set of serums. So, I'm just gonna... Pwede ba siyang matanggal? Baka kasi masira ko siya. Wait. Nasira ko na yung box. Nasira ko na yung packaging. But anyway, let's start with the Calming Blemish Medacasoside Serum. It's a calming serum that soothes troubled skin and blemishes with medacasoside and tea tree extracts. Calming and moisturizing and offers mild care for your skin. You apply this after you use a toner. Let's open this one. Let's open the Calming Blemish Medacasoside Serum. So you will see it. Ang laki pala ng bottle. So this one is 45 ml. Yan. There you go. That's how it looks like. And then the second one is the Vitamin Capsule Luminous Serum. It's a revitalizing serum that brightens dull skin with vitamin ingredients and capsulized jojoba seed oil, leaving your skin with a healthy, radiant complexion and dewy finish. It's glowing, moisturizing, and also offers mild care. Again, you apply it after using or applying your toner. It's also a large bottle. It's 45 ml. Again, this is the Face Republic Vita Capsule Luminous Serum. We will try out these products in the coming days. Let me know if you have tried both or either of this and what your comments are or suggestions for proper usage. I'm probably gonna use this one right now because I'm having a little bit of a problem with acne on my forehead and on these areas because of my hair. I just realized now that kaya pala grabe yung acne ko nung high school dito sa noo because I used to have bangs and my hair was like this, only a little bit longer pero tumatama din siya sa forehead ko and dito. So now that I realized it, I don't think I'm going to have this short hair ever again kasi sobrang angkate niya, guys. Angkate niya sa face. It's such a hassle. Right now, I'm currently not really using any serum kasi pinapahinga ko yung face ko at saka medyo tamad ako. But I tried to use this one for 2 weeks and along with the cleanser, my current favorite cleanser from Face Republic, to see if they work well together. Not sure if I have to use this both day and night, but I'm probably gonna try using it at least once a day. There you go, guys. That has been my very quick unboxing of my new products from Face Republic. Again, I got the Calming Blemish Medicasoside Serum and the Vita Capsule Luminous Serum. They're both from Face Republic. If you want to try out these products, I'm gonna leave links to their official store. Make sure if you're gonna buy Face Republic products, guys, make sure that you're buying from the official store para sigurado kayo na legit yung mga nabibili. Once you use a product on your face na hindi ka sigurado, mahirap bawiin, guys. Mahirap ayusin. Thank you, Face Republic, for sending over this product. I'm super excited to try them both. Let me know if you've tried both or either of this, or if you want to try them. Leave a comment down below, and I want to know your feedback as well if you have already tried them. If you want to know more about Face Republic and these products, please visit my blog diyosa.com, and don't forget to connect with me on other social media platforms because I do post about skincare products and other products. Diyosa Life on Instagram, Ria Jose Davao on TikTok, and Ria Jose on Twitter. I also have 2 Facebook pages, Ria Jose Davao and Just Life, for my video content on Facebook. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing video, please leave a comment down below and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification bell button over here, and watch my unboxing video and other videos about Face Republic products. The links will be down below as well. Maraming pong salamat. Thank you guys for watching. Again, thank you very much to my Face Republic family. Bye everyone!